opportunities. What is physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is the treatment of disease, injury, or deformity by physical methods such as heat treatment, cold treatment, light, exercise therapy, soft tissue mobilizations, rather than using any drugs or surgery. We want to know what the physiotherapist can do. The physiotherapist can assess the patients. The physiotherapist plan the treatment goals with patient-based physical diagnosis. Physiotherapists plan and implement the programs of physiotherapy. He can evaluate the effectiveness of treatment plans and modify accordingly. Physiotherapists communicate with referring the physician and other healthcare professionals regarding patients' problems, need, and progress. Physiotherapist maintains the clinical and statistical records. Physiotherapists develop and implement the healthcare promotion programs for patients, staff, and community. Physiotherapists conduct research in physiotherapy. When we are coming to the demand of the physiotherapy, there is a steady demand for the services of physiotherapists, and it is completely based on growing and aging population. The physiotherapist can work with the elderly population. According to the 2001 census, it has shown that 60 and above elderly population in India accounted to the year 2001 is 77 million, and by 2011 is 96 million, and by 2021 is 133 million. With these values, you can estimate the demand of physiotherapists, where the physiotherapist working with elderly in improving their muscle strength, endurance, helping their mobility and balance, and prevent falls. Physiotherapists can working with children. There are pediatric physios may be working with a whole range of conditions with childs like cerebral palsy, juvenile arthritis, cystic fibrosis, dyspraxia, and the children with musculoskeletal and neurological disorders and congenital deformity. So if you take an example of cerebral palsy children, there are around 25 lakhs of children are suffering with cerebral palsy, and if you will see the incidence, there are 3 cases per 100 live births. Physiotherapist working within sports medicine. Physiotherapist and sports going hand in hand. So physiotherapist helping in assessing, treating, educating the sports person, and also improving the fitness to boost their performance. It should be a sport specific treatment strategies. Physiotherapist working with disability. Currently, around 10% of the total population, or roughly 650 to 70 million, 700 million people live with disability, in which 80% of persons with disability living in developing countries. The physiotherapist helping them improving their functional activities and made them independent. Physiotherapist working with neurological disorders. Neurological disorders are those that mainly affects the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Therefore, in order to treat these disorders, the neurophysiotherapy treatment should be done. Neurological disease statistics it shows that over 6 million people in the United States suffer from some kind of degenerative neurological conditions. Physiotherapist working with cardiorespiratory disorders. The cardiorespiratory disorders affect 18% of total population in the world, and there is a vital role in treating the cardiorespiratory disorders. Not only in human beings, the physiotherapy role is also in treating the animals. Physiotherapists working with animals, so they are having the association of chartered physiotherapists in animal therapy, where the physiotherapists mobilize the joints of animals. Mostly we are seeing in the horse racing clubs which will boost the performance of the horses. As the science is advancing, the physiotherapy is also working on the visceral organs. The visceral manipulations is a gentle hands-on therapy through the body's visceral system, that is the heart, liver, intestine and other internal organs. These gentle manipulation can potentially improve the functioning of individual organs. If we will come to the career opportunities of physiotherapists, according to WHO, for every 10,000 population needs one physiotherapist. Once you qualified the Bachelor of Physiotherapy program, you can be professionally qualified physiotherapist, and the physiotherapist can work at hospitals, teaching institutions, rehabilitation centers, research centers, sports centers, spastic cerebral palsy homes, Ayurvedic hospitals, spas, fitness centers, healthcare knowledge process outsourcing, and business process outsourcing, and he or she may go for an independent practice. And as I said that physiotherapist can work with animals, he can also be get job at horse racing clubs. The physiotherapist's average salary per month, according to some studies, it has been suggested that he can earn the average salary per month in USA it is around $5,000, and in Australia it is around $4,500, in United Kingdom £2,500, in Canada $3,500, in Kuwait 900 dinars, and in Singapore it's around $3,000, and in India it's an average of 25,000 rupees per month. It is the outlook of the fastest upgrowing profession in modern medicine, that is the physiotherapy. With this we can imagine how much need and potential is there for physiotherapy. And thank you. If you are having any doubts or queries, please contact me on the below mobile number. Thank you. If you are having any doubts or queries, please contact me on the below mobile number. Thank you.